नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सभी लोगों का मेरे चैनल पर फिर से स्वागत है। आज मैं आप सभी लोगों के साथ कामाख्या माँ के मंदिर से रिलेटेड एक मिरेकल स्टोरी शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। आगे बढ़ने से पहले मेरी आप सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जाकर अब भी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू आर इंटिमिडेटेड बाय ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन माय चैनल। The story has been shared by Archana Pandey ji. The title of the story is The Goddess Saved My Family. This is an incident for which I have as yet found no convincing explanation and which has got me slowly believing in folklores. Folklores मतलब पुराने ज़माने की बातें जो पुराने लोग हमें stories बोलते थे उन चीज़ों में। So at 3 p.m. on the second last day of our stay in Guwahati, Assam, my husband suddenly said, "We have to immediately go to the Kamakhya Mandir." His tone brooked no argument, and pushing away the mists of sleep, I woke our daughter. We got ready in record time and made our way in a rickshaw. Our original plan was to visit the temple the following day. He gave no explanation for this change in itinerary, and very unusually for me, I did not argue. I am recounting an incident that occurred in 1996 when we were leaving Assam, having been posted elsewhere. We had come to Guwahati 2 days before our scheduled departure to leave no sight unseen in the city. The majestic Brahmaputra was awe-inspiring, and the Mula Mutha river in my city, Pune, paled in comparison. An important part of our 2-day stay was a visit to the famous Kamakhya Mandir on the last day. A visit to this shrine is a must when in Assam, and we were keen to pay obeisance there. We had lived for a long time in Punjab, travelled to Kashmir too, but somehow could not visit the Vaishno Devi temple. That always saddened me, but seniors had consoled me that if the goddess wants you to, she will make sure you reach the temple. The Kamakhya Mandir is one of the 16 Shakti Sthan in India. There are several legends that explain its origins. It is located on the Neelanchal hill in Guwahati and is associated with Shakti worship and tantric practices. The exact age of the temple is not known, but it was destroyed in the 16th century to be later rebuilt by the king Nar Narayana of Kunch Bihar in the 17th century. Durga Puja is a huge festival here, celebrated in the Navratri in the month of Ashwin, usually September or October. The Ambubachi festival in the month of Ashad during summers is yet another important festival for the Kamakhya Mandir. The local guide told us that the temple actually remains closed during this time for 3 days and reopens with huge celebrations on the 4th day. The rickshaw took us right to the temple entrance. On entering the premises, we were struck by some powerful vibrations. I looked around. There was no loud music being played, yet the feeling persisted. The main temple has a dome shaped like a beehive. I have visited several temples in India, but this was like no other. We had to go down a flight of stairs in the central structure, which was actually a cave. It was dark. The only light illuminating the path was from flickering lamps. Trusting our instincts and those ahead of us, we walked downwards. At the bottom is a spring emerging from a fissure in a rock. It was covered with flowers and a sari. Like everyone else, we offered our prayers here, as this is the residing deity. There is no main idol as we see in temples elsewhere in the country. It was the month of April, yet there was a large crowd at the temple. The walls of the cave had carvings of different gods and goddesses. Outside the central chamber, there are separate chambers for offering to the goddess, as the temple is of the Tantric sect. The disturbing vibrations continued to surround and fill us as we walked around the temple complex. None of us wanted to talk, preferring instead to let the power seep into us. Was the goddess trying to reach out to us? Was she trying to convey something? I prayed for our good health and the well-being of everyone. We spent a couple of hours at the temple before making our way to the hotel. The packing was done somberly. There was a feeling of having encountered something special, but we could not quite put a finger to it. The next morning, there was a huge line at the reception. We were advised not to go out as there were rumors of violence. The situation was tense as some people were reportedly injured and killed. We spent our time trying to get stray news from people who ventured out and the latest on the train departures on radio and television. We learnt that trains were on schedule, which was a big relief. Taking a chance, we walked to the station, which was close by. There were not many rickshaws or people around, yet the station was bustling with activity. There we got some information that hit us like a bolt of lightning. The violence that morning had occurred in the same area where we had gone the previous day. As the train chugged out, I realized that if we had gone to Kamakhya Mandir as per our original itinerary, we would have probably been exposed to the violence. The all-knowing goddess had seen what lay ahead and hence directed us to visit her the previous day. She had indeed called us to her abode. I left Guwahati with a lump in my throat and gratitude for the goddess. तो मैं बहुत जल्दी से एक बार हिंदी में इसका ट्रांसलेशन कर देती हूँ फॉर आर हिंदी लिसनर्स एज वेल. तो जो कंट्रीब्यूटर हैं उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड के साथ जो उनका प्लान था, ओरिजिनल प्लान उनका था कि वो कामाख्या मंदिर को अगले दिन विज़िट करेंगे, ठीक है. लेकिन एक दिन सडनली उनके हस्बैंड सवेरे उठ के उनको कहने लगे कि चलो आज हम मंदिर में जाएंगे दर्शन करने के लिए. तो उन्होंने हस्बैंड से पूछा भी नहीं, काउंटर क्वेश्चन नहीं किया कि हम लोग कल जा रहे थे ना मंदिर, हम लोग आज क्यों जा रहे हैं. चेंज ऑफ प्लान जो हुआ उस पे वाइफ ने आर्ग्यू भी नहीं किया एंड शी जस्ट लेफ्ट अलॉन्ग विद द हस्बैंड. लेकिन उनको अगले दिन ये पता चल गया कि जो लोकेशन था वहाँ पर वायलेंस हो गया था. तो उनका ओरिजिनल प्लान जो था मंदिर जाने का जिस दिन, उसी दिन वहाँ पर मारपीट, वायलेंस ये सब हो रहा था एंड काफ़ी लोगों की उसमें हत्या हो गई थी. मतलब मैनी पीपल वर डेड दैट डे. अगर उनकी ओरिजिनल प्लान बनी रहती तो आज उस फैमिली को भी जान का खतरा होता, डेथ हो सकती थी, लेकिन उनको माँ कामाख्या ने बचा लिया. सो दिस वॉज अ मिरेकल स्टोरी एंड हेल्थ के ऊपर, लाइफ के ऊपर तो कुछ भी नहीं है. तो देखिए कैसे कामाख्या माँ ने एक फैमिली की लाइफ बचा ली. एंड ऐसे ही मिराकुलस स्टोरीज़ जो हैं जब हम सुनते हैं तो हमको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है कि देखिए कितने ज़्यादा पावरफुल और स्पेशल हमारे भगवान, हमारे देवता, भगवती सब हैं, ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही इमोशनल और मिराकुलस स्टोरीज़ आप भी मुझे भेज सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फैंटास्टिक स्टोरीज़. Never ever underestimate the power of भगवान. So this is our philosophy. अगर आपको स्टोरी अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक कर दीजिए जिससे आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहें. आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए जय माँ कामाख्या एंड नमस्ते.